Charlani here. Thanks so much for tuning in. Today we are prepping up this fridge a little bit. I'm actually going out of town for the next week. I'm gonna be staying in California and staying with my mom and taking care of her after surgery. So I am prepping this kitchen for Rob. What I'm gonna do is I plan on making some lasagna. I actually have a list right here. So I'm planning on making him a little mini lasagna. And I got this at Home Goods. It's like a mini, just glass dish, which I think will be absolutely perfect for what I need to do. I want to freeze some steaks that we have so he can just pull them out when he wants to make them. Make some ranch, make some salad stuff, and just really get this fridge all prepped up and looking nice and organized. Right now everything is just kind of thrown in here, but that's okay. We're gonna make it nice and pretty, and honestly, we know he can totally take care of himself for sure, but it just makes me feel better when I know that the house is situated. We are totally packed up and stocked up here in the pantry. I've made sure that we have, I'm gonna turn this around. So I've made sure that we have bread, we've got Ritz, he's got lots of peanut butter. I did get his favorite, chicken and a biscuit. He's got some potatoes here that he can make up. He's also obviously got all the supplements, all the Shakio he could need, all the things. So we are definitely all prepped, or he is prepped and ready to go. He's also a very good cook, so I'm sure he could pretty much throw anything together and be just fine. But I also know that he is going to be busy working and doing my job and just being me around this house while I'm gone as well, because we've got this boy right here, huh, Kai? Huh, buddy? He just got a bath today. He got a bath, we cleaned the dog runs, we have vacuumed the living room, we have Swiffered all of the floors. Took about 2 seconds for him to start pulling his toys out, but that's just par for the course. So, all right, let's get this going. I've got about an hour to get everything situated, prepped up, get that fridge nice and happy. Yeah, let's do this. I started with the lasagna. It's a super simple recipe. I'll link a video that I did a while back, but it literally is the easiest lasagna ever. I have a layer of the meat sauce, and then I add in the noodles, and then I do another layer of meat sauce, then cheese, then noodles, and you just repeat that process until you fill up your pan. I use the oven ready lasagna, so there's no pre-cooking, and it all just kind of heats up together. It's literally the best thing ever. So my lasagna noodles, the size was off by about a ½ inch, so I just broke off the ends and they fit perfect. Looks nice and yummy, super simple. So I used the pasta sauce that we had made a few days ago. It was just ground beef, and Rob made spaghetti sauce. I added a little bit of the Rouse marinara. Oh, this smells so good. But this is perfect for him. He'll have it for a couple of days, and yeah, good leftovers and awesome dinner for sure. Next up are the steaks, and I'm just going to individually wrap these in the Ziploc freezer bags. It wasn't worth me getting out my food saver. This was simple enough because I knew he'd probably eat most of this throughout the next few days. So I just packed everything in individual packs so he could just pull them out of the freezer and eat them when he needed them. Okay, all the meats are sealed up. I've got the date on here, so it was I froze it on 9/22, and then you have to use it by 9/23. That just tells me that when we thaw this out, it needs to be used within 1 day. And then the same thing here, this is the tri-tip, and I got smaller tri-tips because he'll just be making them for himself. But I froze it on 9/22, you need to use it same day. So whatever night he wants to have tri-tip, he'll just have to pull that out. And then this is a tri-tip that I'm actually going to leave in the fridge, and he can either make it, sometime tomorrow, and that'll be fine. Okay, so everything is here in the fridge, tri-tip right here, and then each of the steaks is behind, and then we've got frozen salmon there. Also got some chicken pot pies, we've got a cauliflower crust pizza, we've got French fries, and his favorite. We also had some leftover chili, so I went ahead and I just put those in individual servings into each of those bags, and we'll freeze those as well. Salad is all cut up. All it is a spring mix with some baby spinach, carrots, coleslaw mix. Super easy peasy, really yummy. I gotta make ranch as well, and then we're gonna do something fun with the strawberries.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you we've got us tangled, caught in what's before.
This is the absolute best. If you are dipping strawberries or any fruit really, this chocolate, oh my gosh, it is absolutely amazing. We get this at Target. So you want to mix it in the microwave or heat it up in the microwave for half the power and for 30-second intervals until it is nice and creamy. Obviously we need more time, so I'll put it back in. This is only 1 minute. Usually it takes 2, maybe 3 minutes total. I've got my tray with parchment paper. This is just for me to eat. And then you want to make sure that your strawberries are washed, rinsed, and dried. So I'm just going to dry all of these like this, because you don't want any moisture underneath that chocolate.
Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than me.
Oh, that looks good. Yep. See how it's nice and smooth? Perfect. So all you do is take a strawberry and you just dip it in. Easy peasy. Now we'll just pop these in the fridge for just a couple of hours, and then we'll stick them in a bowl and they'll be ready to go. And this is how much we have left. Not that much, but we could have got a few more strawberries in there for sure, or other fruit works really well with this too, or I could have just had more to eat. Now, if this were my ranch, I would actually put in a half cup of water just to dilute it. You get more bang for your buck. And I personally like the watered down ranch just because when you put it on your salad, it gets on every single piece of lettuce and it doesn't make it gloppy and things like that. However, Rob likes his to be thicker. So here we go, ranch done. Correction, because I said to put these in the fridge for a couple hours, but it's literally been, what, 10 minutes? And look at, they are already ready to go. You could actually eat them right now if you wanted to. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take these out, stick them in an airtight container, and then we are just about done. Nice, yummy dessert. The very last thing I'm gonna do is grate some of this block cheese so he can have it on whatever he wants to have it on. He can make nachos or whatever, and he can also have it for his salad. So I'm just gonna grate up just a little bit and it'll be ready to go. All right, you guys, we are good to go. He is set up for the week ahead. He's got all the things that he needs. We've got some extra marinara sauce right here as well, and this he can use. He can either make pasta if he really wanted to, but he'll have a little bit of extra to put on the lasagna if he needs it. Jalapeno peppers, carrot sticks, the ranch is here. You can have PB&Js. There's the cheese we just made. We've got our chocolate covered strawberries. It's a good way to sneak in some fruit disguised in chocolate. We've got some avocados. We've got our chopped salad, spinach for sauteing if he wants to do that, and that'll keep for when I get back too. And then we've got some tomatoes, and in here we've got Brussels sprouts, we've got limes. These are his tomatoes. And then, so what I mean by that are these are the tomatoes that he has grown in our garden, and usually that's what he makes these sauces with. We've got some onions, lemons, and here we've got his peppers from the garden. I don't even know which kind those are. The tri-tip that he'll probably make tomorrow. We've got eggs there. And then in here, he's got turkey and ham. We've got these cheeses. Oh, let me grab this. Stick this back here. English muffins, sausage, butter. He literally has everything that he needs for sure. We've got the milk, the creamers, all the things ready to go. And then he's got lots of oat milk because I'm really hoping that he makes himself a shake every single day. Superfoods and veggies every single day. Whether I'm here or not, he should do that. Rob, if you're watching it, don't forget to drink your shake. Okay, let's go into the freezer. And then in here, he's got the pot pies, we've got chicken, we've got some hamburger up here as well. And then this is everything that I just put in here today. Basically all the red meats. And then we've got the 2 packs of chili. There is soup in here. So yeah, he is ready to go. And now we just need to clean this kitchen. So if there's one thing we know won't happen, it's that while I am out of town, Rob will not starve. Okay, thank you so much for spending this time with me. Hopefully you've got some ideas of some meal prep things that you can do for yourself as well. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you did. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.